Hello friends, welcome back to Market. Today is 22nd of November and I'm back again with another update. Let's start with Nifty's weekly chart as usual. So Nifty has made this kind of a candle in the short week of 4 days with just 0.5% gains, and it is right at the trend line resistance and this trend line, and it's been moving. Nifty has been moving within this trend line, this channel, for last 12 years. So it is right at that trend line resistance, and weekly RSI is also pretty close to overbought zone. Let's switch to the daily chart. So last 4 days, we can see here, friends, Nifty has been moving sideways, and it is right at the trend line resistance. It is yet to decisively breach this. So it is moving sideways. Wait for some pattern to be formed and a break out of that pattern to take fresh positions. This, as such, looks a little overbought. As far as support and resistance goes, 12,430, which was a previous high, could act as a support, followed by 12,000, 20 EMA and 50 EMA, and as resistance we are right at this trend line resistance here. And 13,000 could also be a psychological resistance level. And the RSI on daily chart has come down from almost 79 to 71 now. Let's look at other indices. Let's start with Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty still looks quite bullish in spite of close to 25% run. It still looks quite bullish. Let's look at the hourly chart on Bank Nifty. So it is seen as small consolidation, but again gave a good candle on the intraday chart. Wait for a pattern to get formed and wait for a breakout of that pattern. Let's look at other sectors. Media is still consolidating. Pharma is still consolidating. Energy, it is close to the previous highs and consolidating. Reliance especially has been pretty weak in this sector. Metal going pretty strong, but last two candles have been pretty weak. Auto too, last couple of candles have been little weak. Finance is tracking Bank Nifty. Realty also gave a good breakout, but last two sessions have been pretty weak. Mid cap too. FMCG looking strong over the last few sessions, but it is now close to the previous highs. Small cap, not much of a movement here, and IT is still consolidating. Friends, so let's look at the US market. Dow Jones. Dow Jones is right at the resistance of previous highs. Gold is still moving sideways, range bound. SGX Nifty does not give any clue. It is trading flat. India VIX is also at the bottom and range bound. Friends, let's look at this chart comparing sectors with each other. So this is last 5 days of chart. Nifty, as such, in last 5 days has traded flat. The outperformer is auto and realty. Metal 2 has done well with 3% gains, and this is Bank Nifty. The sectors underperforming are pharma and media. So that's pretty much, friends. Let's go back to the Nifty chart. So as I said, this rally is quite extended, overextended already, and it is right at the resistance of the trend line. Wait for a pattern to get formed here and wait for a breakout from that pattern to take fresh positions, I would say. But Bank Nifty, however, still going strong, and there are some news as well in the banking sector that large corporates can apply for banking license, and also the promoter stakeholding has been increased from maximum 15% to 26% over a period of 10 years or so. So that may be a good news for Kotak and many other corporates. So Bank Nifty may still continue to rally from at least from the news. Not sure what kind of a reaction will it have on the index here. Nifty as such looks a little extended and moving sideways. Wait for a breakout from this pattern. Right, friends, thank you for watching and see you again in the next video.